Hello everybody, I recently bought and installed StarLink in rural Kenya. This is how I went down from buying it until installing it. So I purchased StarLink from Jumia and I paid 45,000 Kenyan shillings and it was delivered to me after a few days. When it finally arrived, I started the unboxing. The unboxing was quite exciting, and this is what I found inside my package. The first thing was the dish or the stand base. The second thing was the StarLink dish or the antenna. The third thing was the StarLink router. The fourth thing was the 50-feet cable, StarLink cable, which is 15 meters. And then we have a 6-feet AC cable. And finally, a manual and some cool stickers which I sticked on my devices. So those are the things that were inside my package, and it is pretty simple. The installation was pretty easy, super easy. Setting up StarLink was very straightforward. I first used the StarLink app to check for obstructions around me. You can get the StarLink app from your app store and download it. Once I ensured there was a clear path, I started the installation. I connected the router to the power source and connected the router to the dish. I placed the StarLink dish outside and it took 10 minutes for the StarLink to align itself. Finally, I subscribed to unlimited service, which goes for 6,500 Kenyan shillings. And internet speeds were quite good, and they were ranging between 150 Mbps and 250 Mbps. These are good internet speeds here in rural Kenya. I'm still using StarLink and I will give you more updates about it, but it has been working really well for me. And the internet speeds are good and it's always stable. Even if when it rains, it is stable. Alright, so that's all for my StarLink installation. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.